per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, Stewart County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, Houston County in Middle Tennessee, northern Humphreys County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Crofton to 7 miles southeast of Big Rock to 6 miles southeast of Springville, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dixon, Waverly, Dover, Erin, Clarksville, New Jacksonville, McEwen, Tennessee Ridge, Big Rock, Pleasant View, Charlotte, Adams, Van Leer, Cedars Hill, Cumberland City, Sladen, Cheatham Dam, Palmyra, Woodlawn and land between the lakes. This includes Interstate 24 between mile markers 1 and 22. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee.